Vivo launched two new budget 5G phones under Y series in India called Vivo Y28e and Vivo Y28s. Both of these devices looks identical, but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Vivo Y28s is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Vivo Y28s smartphone. The Vivo Y28s 5G features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 840 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y28s 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX852 sensor, along with the VGA sensor with f3.0 aperture. At the front it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.63 by 75.58 by 8.53mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y28s 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 13,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 15,499 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in vintage red and twinkling purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y28s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.